Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for an unboxing video, and this is something that I always like because inside there is a Kaweco pen. And so let's pick up another Swiss knife and let's cut the package. This will be a very simple unboxing, I guess. I have one pen inside. This is a new special or exclusive edition, so it will be a nice thing. So the UPS package goes away and we have stuff. I don't think I need the knife anymore. And let's see what we have here. So, first let me tell you, this is a pen that I bought. And I bought this for my own collection. I bought it from Galen Leather in Turkey. And I bought a Kaweco pen. And we have here a postcard. And some extra stuff. We have a Galen Leather pouch. I don't know what is inside. Something that... a refreshing towel. It's always handy. Not for cleaning your hands when you're messing with fountain pens, but maybe you may be handy for something. And a coupon code for discount, and the history of Galen Leather, which is interesting. And what else? So we have that thing, the evil eye, which is like an amulet, I think. So it is a cultural thing. I have to read more about it. I've seen it before. And we have here the pen with a very nice exclusive, I guess, packaging that unfortunately it unglued, but I will glue it together again. Fountain pen. Very beautiful packaging. Now, I have, just let me check what is inside this little pouch. I will leave the fountain pen to the end. This fabric baggie. And we have some tea there and also some Turkish coffee, I think. So, very nice. They are very nice. This was not a very... it was not at all an inexpensive purchase. It is a Kaweco pen that's not that expensive. And I don't think they know that I am the YouTuber that is making this kind of thing. So I don't think this was a special package for me. I think they are just like this. And nice box. I will glue it together again. And we have there, this is a Kaweco Sport Cognac for the Galen Leather edition. This is an exclusive edition for them. And this is a very nice soft pen bed here. Very well made. Very nice. I'm quite impressed by the vintage and classy style we get from this. Now I kind of regret it because I just ordered these and I feel that I want to order more stuff from them. So that's enough. That's something for some other time. So we have here the Kaweco. This is a classic sport because it is all of one color and it has a gold colored trim. Kaweco Classic Sport, the Cognac color. Cognac color was a very limited or a special edition, exclusive edition for a store. I don't have the name of the store here with me. There was an edition, special edition of this color. I'll have to check if the color is exactly the same. And it's now completely impossible to find, and it was very popular, this color, and so they at Galen Leather they decided to make a special edition for their store, and you will not confuse both because this one has the Galen Leather imprint, so you know that this edition is their edition and will not take value for the collectors who collect collected the other color. So that's a good thing. And here we have the very shiny gold color F nib of Kaweco Sport and the cartridge there inside. And this is a beautiful addition to my collection. This is not expensive. This is just a little bit more expensive than a regular edition Kaweco Sport, but that is usual for the special editions. And I truly love the kind of packaging we get. I think I need to buy stuff from them. I'm really impressed. So, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. One of these days I will make some color comparisons and show off some more of my Kaweco Sport collection. And I guess this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you next video. Bye.